The universe is vast and mostly empty, but not entirely. Amid the cosmic dance of stars and galaxies, sometimes something new appears, a wanderer from the dark. On a quiet Tuesday, the James Webb Space Telescope spotted a faint smudge of light. This was no distant galaxy, but something much closer, moving fast. Astronomers at the Space Telescope Science Institute in Baltimore were the first to notice. Their models traced the object's path, straight toward Earth. The calculations were chilling, a possible direct collision. The object was named 2024 YR4, a leftover rock from the birth of our solar system. Most such rocks stay in the asteroid belt, but some become cosmic nomads. 2024 YR4 was one of them, and it was heading our way. The control room fell silent as the implications sank in. The cosmic shooting gallery was real, and this time, we were the target. For scientists, fear is a call to action. The data was incomplete. Uncertainties in size, speed, and trajectory loomed. Was it big enough to survive entry? Could it devastate the planet or burn up harmlessly? Questions mounted, urgency rising. The clock was ticking. The faint whisper from the void had triggered a race against time. Humanity's survival was suddenly at stake. The first alert spread quietly among observatories worldwide. A potentially hazardous asteroid, 2024 YR4, had been detected, and impact was a real possibility. Telescopes in Chile, Hawaii, and the Canary Islands scrambled to track it. Its size, just a few hundred meters, and its sunward approach made it nearly invisible. Only the James Webb, with its infrared vision, could spot its faint heat signature. Urgency gripped the scientific community. Each new observation narrowed the asteroid's possible path, but the odds of impact kept rising. 1 in 1,000, 1 in 100, then 1 in 10. Governments were quietly briefed. Emergency plans stirred. The public remained unaware, but behind the scenes, preparations for the unthinkable began. Astronomers worked tirelessly, sharing data and double-checking calculations. The fate of millions rested on their work. The unseen threat was coming into focus, and it was dangerous. The world's best minds united, racing to understand the destroyer's path. Every calculation mattered. The countdown to impact had begun. Secrecy ended as the impact probability soared. Space agencies made a joint announcement. Asteroid 2024 YR4 was on a potential collision course with Earth. Headlines exploded. Disbelief and fear swept the globe. Suddenly, asteroids weren't just science fiction, they were a real threat. Scientists worldwide united, sharing data and expertise. Borders and politics faded. It was Team Earth versus the cosmos. Observatories coordinated a 24-hour watch, tracking the asteroid's every move. The goal determined its orbit, size, composition, and spin. Pressure mounted as the public demanded answers. Scientists became media figures, explaining complex risks in simple terms. They balanced honesty with hope, clarifying that high probability wasn't certainty. The world held its breath, united in vulnerability. Every new calculation was scrutinized. The challenge brought out humanity's best. The cosmic drama was now everyone's story. Even with every telescope on Earth, questions remained. Was 2024 YR4 a solid iron bullet or a loose rubble pile? The answer would determine the scale of destruction. Only the James Webb Space Telescope could provide the detail needed. Webb's infrared vision measured the asteroid's temperature and size. Spectroscopy revealed its chemical makeup. Emergency protocols cleared Webb's schedule for this urgent task. The telescope turned from distant galaxies to focus on the threat to Earth. For a few hours, all eyes were on 2024 YR4. Data streamed back, tension mounting in control rooms. The analysis revealed silicate minerals and, crucially, water ice. This suggested the asteroid was less dense, a rubble pile, not a solid cannonball. The risk of total devastation dropped. A glimmer of hope appeared. Scientists recalculated the odds with this new information. The world waited for the final answer. The fate of Earth hung in the balance. Webb had given us a fighting chance. The new Webb data changed everything. With precise measurements, orbital models were updated. NASA and ESA teams worked through the night, running simulations. The world waited as supercomputers crunched the numbers. The result? 2024 YR4 would not hit Earth. It would pass within the Moon's orbit, a cosmic near-miss. Relief swept the globe. The threat was over, but the story wasn't finished. The asteroid's new path would cross the Moon's orbit. Calculations showed a direct hit on our lunar neighbor. The danger had shifted, not vanished. Scientists saw an unprecedented opportunity. For the first time, we would witness a major asteroid impact on the Moon. The fear faded, replaced by scientific excitement. The world turned its eyes to the Moon. A new chapter was about to begin. The crisis became a scientific gift. Asteroid impacts shaped the solar system, but we'd never seen a big one happen. Now, we had front-row seats. Every telescope that could see the moon was aimed at the target. Hubble and Webb would watch from space. Lunar orbiters and landers were in position. The impact site, the far side of the moon, safe for Earth, perfect for science. Mission controllers adjusted orbits for the best view. The impact would excavate ancient lunar material, untouched for billions of years. Orbiters would fly through the debris plume, analyzing its composition. We might find water ice, vital for future explorers. The event was a cosmic experiment on an unimaginable scale. Scientists prepared to answer fundamental questions about impacts in the moon's interior. The world was ready for the spectacle. The moon was about to reveal its secrets. Discovery awaited in the aftermath. Impact Day arrived, July 19, 2025. People watched from observatories and backyards, but the real show was in space. Lunar orbiters sent live images of the ancient cratered surface. The countdown began, anticipation replacing fear. The collision was silent, but the flash was brilliant, captured by telescopes everywhere. Seismometers on the moon registered the shockwave. A massive plume of rock and vaporized ice erupted skyward. Spacecraft flew through the cloud, analyzing its makeup in real time. Water ice was confirmed, a discovery that could change lunar exploration. In the days that followed, orbiters mapped the fresh crater. Scientists compared its features to their models, refining impact physics. The data unlocked new secrets about the moon's geology. The impact was not an end, but a beginning. It marked a new era of discovery. The world watched, learned, and marveled. The cosmos had given us a lesson, and a gift. The story of 2024 YR4 is a story of our time. We faced a cosmic threat and united in response. Fear gave way to collaboration and ingenuity. Scientists and nations worked as one, proving our strength together. Technology, especially the James Webb Space Telescope, was our hero. It turned uncertainty into knowledge and panic into preparation. We transformed a potential catastrophe into a scientific triumph. The universe is full of dangers and wonders. Our future depends on telling the difference. Science is our tool for understanding and readiness. We learned more about our solar system, our moon, and ourselves. We are explorers at heart, curious and brave. As long as we work together, we can face the cosmos's challenges. The sky is not falling, it is opening up, and we are ready to explore.